Volusperm Volume pills are one of, if not, the most popular male enhancement or natural semen volume enhancers on the market. Lots of men use these supplements to get more semen volume or to boost their sexual performance. You are probably here to find out if Volusperm Volume pills work and if they are something you should try out. I will give you many personal experience with this product and what you can expect. I will also tell you how this product works and if there are any side effects. One thing I can tell you, it was a crazy experience. What are volume pills? Volusperm Volume pills is a supplement that increases your natural semen volume. This means you will have bigger loads, which also gets you better and intense orgasms. What do Volusperm Volume pills do? It is a question that I get asked a lot. It's specially designed for men that are struggling with shooting big loads. The product has a special blend of ingredients that will improve your production of semen. The good thing about this product is that it's completely natural and doesn't require any prescriptions. How does it work? The ingredients of Volusperm Volume pills is where the real magic happens. Doctors and scientists have studied this formula for years before they released it to the public. All ingredients that are used have been tested by doctors and universities on effectiveness and safety. It basically contains a blend of high-quality herbs, minerals, and vitamins that your body needs to perform and stay healthy. Next to that, all ingredients have been proven to produce more semen to increase your load. No other semen volume enhancer comes close to those of volume pills. Let's find out what ingredients are used to boost your semen volume. Volusperm Volume pills ingredients. L-arginine. This is a herb that has been used many years to boost your testosterone and erectile dysfunction. A study has shown that it has the ability to boost your testosterone. The more testosterone you have, the more semen you will produce. Next to having more semen, it can also help you with lean muscle mass and harder erection. Doesn't sound too bad, right? Zinc gluconate. This has to be one of the best ingredients but in Volusperm Volume pills. Zinc has the ability to boost your testosterone, increase your sperm count, and give you a better erection. A study has shown that zinc significantly increased their sperm count. Zinc is used in many testosterone boosters since it's very effective to boost your natural T levels. L-arginine. L-arginine is the amino acid used to make nitric oxide, a molecule that facilitates the flow of blood to the penis during an erection, and is the most common amino acid found in sexual supplements. These are just 3 ingredients out of the 13 that are included in the formula. If you would like to see the full ingredient lists, click the button below. More info. My personal experience, I'm going to be honest with you guys, and it's not something to take lightly. After the years passed, I suffered from a lack of libido and sexual performance. This even caused some stress in my relationship, as you might understand that having sex with your partner can be a big factor in your relationship. Low libido, that's why I started looking at different things to boost my libido and sexual performance. Volume pills were the first thing that popped up and had some really promising effects. The first time I took it, I was very nervous and desperate because I really wanted this to work. After about 30 minutes I started noticing some effects. The feeling of wanting to have sex was really strong. The good thing was that I took it at a moment that I knew we could have sex that night. My partner was really surprised because normally this wouldn't happen, or at least it was a couple of years ago. I really saw an increase in my sexual performance. I could last longer and had a very hard erection with volume pills. Other than that, the volume of my semen was increased by a lot. My partner was really impressed, and this was only my first time using it as well. It's worth mentioning that I stacked this product with Vig RX Plus. It's a great male enhancement product to increase erection quality and sexual performance. Volusperm Volume pill side effects. There are no real side effects with using Volusperm Volume pills. It's a natural blend of herbs and extracts put together by doctors and scientists. The only real side effects you could experience is having a really hard erection, which should not be marked as a side effect in my opinion. All ingredients that have been used in creating Volusperm Volume pills are all of very high quality. The product is dosed very carefully and tested by many doctors. Not only that, but Volume pills has been approved by the FDA. That means it's totally safe to use. Keep in mind to not exceed the recommended dosage mentioned on the package. Final thoughts: should you try Volusperm Volume pills? If you are really looking for a product that works and helps you with your sexual performance, then yes, this product is something for you. Next to being one of the most popular and most used male enhancers, it is also safe to take and all without a prescription. You should definitely try Volume pills and see if they work for you. All I can say is that it worked for me and for thousands of other men. Where to buy Volume pills? You can buy Volusperm Volume pills from the link in the description down below.